we came in here when it was unlocked and we got trapped in this painting.
How are you guys in the painting? Whatever, this is weird. I'm out of here.
And you're watching the Viking News Network.
Winship Middle School.
Hey Vikings, this is Kaylin
And Willoughby, representing the 8th grade for VNN announcements. We have an exciting episode ahead of us, so let's get right into it.
Today is Nutella Day. Make sure to honor the hazelnut spread by trying a new chocolatey recipe or even just having some with a warm slice of toast.
Now, finally, onto school announcements. First up, we would like to let you guys know that Valentine's candygrams will be sold this week at lunch in the student store and given out on February 14th.
On the 7th, there will be a quarter two award assembly for everyone who is safe, respectful, and responsible and kept their grades up in quarter two.
Also, next week is Spirit Week. On Monday, it's Sunglasses Day. Tuesday is Crazy Socks Day. Wednesday is Heart Day, so wear pink and red. And Thursday is Anti-Valentine's Day, so wear black. And ending the week off, we have Twin Day.
On the 16th, there will be the 8th grade HSU field trip, so make sure all you 8th graders get your field trip forms turned in on time.
And finally, we are glad to say that the week after next week is President's Week, meaning you all get a whole week off of school. That's all for today's announcements. Make sure all you Vikings stay safe, respectful, and responsible, and have a great rest of your week.
Bye!
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
To our January Students of the Month, congratulations. You have earned them.
Am I ready? I was born ready. Oh, man. All right, today it's the whipped cream slap challenge. This is how it works. Eric, put your arm forward here. Turn it this way. Okay, I'm gonna do a little. All right, buddy. You know what to do next.
Bro, wait. So, it's not like.
Okay, ready?
They call me they call me Mr. Cream.
The whipped cream, theoretically, is gonna go up in the air, and you're gonna catch it in midair with your mouth.
Ready? Okay.
Got it.
That was the best. There. Get up there. Oh, that sucks.
I get on my deck, I'm throwing hands with you, too. Alright, I want to go. Whatever, let's go. Go! Oh, I got. Let me get my. Look, I got all my wood strips.
You're being a good sport.
Okay, wait, sorry.
All right. Study. Let's go. You can definitely try again. I'm sorry about your jacket.
I think no, but I think I actually see the left hand so really smart for us.
Oh!
You gotta hit it really hard.
There you go.
Ah, hit my face. No.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
There you go.
Ah, hit my face. No.
Winship